Alright, my name is Alex and I'm going to be walking you through this session. As you probably already know, but let me explain why I've asked you to come here today. As part of a class, we're testing a website to see what it's like for actual people to use it. I want to make it clear right away that we're testing the site, not you. You can't do anything wrong here, so you don't have to worry about making mistakes. We want to hear exactly what you think, so please don't worry that you're going to hurt our feelings. We want to improve it, so we need to know honestly what you think. As we go along, I'm going to ask you to think out loud and tell me what's going through your mind. This will help us. If you have questions, just ask. I may not be able to answer them right away since we're interested in how people do when they don't have someone sitting next to them. But I will try to answer any questions you have when we're done. We'd also like to video this session and put it on YouTube, but you won't be identified as part of the assignment. The recording will only be used to help us figure out how to improve the site and won't be seen by anyone except the people working on the project. Do you have any questions before we begin?
No.
Okay. So you're on the home page now. What's the first thing that catches your eye?
The changing picture thing that shows websites.
Okay. And what do you think this site is about?
I think it's about web design.
Tell me more about that.
Well, it looks like it's for someone who is a web developer and they make websites.
Okay. And what do you want to click on first?
Process.
Okay.
Can I click on it?
Yep. So I'd like you to imagine that you are in a position where you have an idea for a website for some business you want to start. And you want to hire somebody to help you with that. Tell me about whether this site makes you want to contact Alex or not, and what things make you want to contact him and what things make you don't want to contact him.
Well, since this is a website and this person makes websites, it's a pretty nice website. So if it's really like innovative and cool, I think it would make me want to contact this person more.
Okay.
Because you can it's like a living demo of his work.
Okay.
I don't know. It's what wouldn't make me want to contact him. I think the fact that it's not like a huge company, so you don't really know that what you're getting is like good quality or that they actually can make websites.
Okay. Okay. So when you say it's pretty cool, or what about the design do you think is pretty cool?
Well, I really like how I really like the background, like the tree and the leaves, and it just looks really professional.
Okay. So we were on the process page. How do
Yeah.
you think that page functions in terms of making you more or less likely to contact Alex?
I like the information it gives you.
What do you like about that?
Well, you get to learn more about how this person would design websites for you, and um, it's uh, it's detailed. Um,
Okay, what do you want to click on next?
clients.
Okay. And what does that do to your feelings on the website?
Well, these are a lot of well-known places, so it makes it cooler.
Okay. What do you mean by cooler?
I don't know, it's like, oh, he designed for Sugar Bush? That's pretty professional, cool, hard.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. What do you want to click on next?
Bio.
Okay, and what do you think of that page?
It's cool.
What's cool about it?
I don't know, it's like you get to know more about like you and what you like to do, and
Do you think, what impact do you think that would have on whether or not you wanted to hire him?
I don't know, like I don't think I would want to hire someone who said they like gambling or something, or
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
or they like war. I think it's you get to like learn like, oh, you like skiing? I like skiing.
Mm-hmm.
Connection.
Yeah.
What do I get to do? I get to click on this now?
Yes. Okay. So go back to the clients page. Do you see anything else you can click on there?
Yeah. It looks like you can click on these.
Okay. Was that not clear to you before?
No, like the selected client list, I don't know. I feel like you can click on them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But it's kind of weird to say click on this to learn more. So I think it's presented well.
Okay.
Like I don't think it really matters that it doesn't look like really look like a link. I mean, it looks like a link, but it's not.
Mm-hmm.
Like.
Yeah.
So people know when the little hand thing appears, so
Okay.
it's not a big deal.
Yeah. All right. Do you have any suggestions for making it better?
Yes, a different font. I don't like that font. Well, I don't like it, but it's a very common font.
Okay. Do you like a serif font or sans serif? Serif font has like little curly cues, like the F has like, like a little thing down like that. Sans serif is just plainer.
So is this sans serif?
This is sans serif.
I don't know. That's cool, but I don't really know what they look like, so.
Okay. So the font is too common.
It's not bad, but it's.
Right.
I just think it would be.
Okay. Any other suggestions?
No.
Okay. All right, you're all done.
Was it F10?
I don't know. The only way I was able to do it before was this.